Okay, we're back. So I don't have anything in stock here in cylinders. Nothing's available pretty much anymore. All discontinued pretty much. I found a couple places that might have them, not likely. And the whole control kit you can get, if you replace everything, which is what I'll have to do, but I don't really want to do that. Or you switch up to 96 and later and there's shit everywhere. I even got that in stock, so I don't know. I didn't want to do that though. Okay, I did find a rebuild kit. So there's a new kit, and it's got the new seals and stuff here. And I put the O-ring in there. It did have a little drag on it, so I'm going to try this, see if we can save this thing. With brand new rubber in there, it might work for a little while. But everything's going to have to be replaced, so I don't know what they're going to do with the bike, so if they want to replace everything to something different, they can. I'm just trying to make it work for now. It's not too rideable without brakes working. So that expands a lot more in diameter wise than this old one here did. So that should hopefully seal it up and make it work again, because it never has worked correctly yet. So hopefully this will do the trick. I think it's number 5 time to be able to part now. Okay, so got a bunch of new parts here. Might as well use them. Wrong end, dumbass, goes in that way. A little bit of drag and not a lot. Little is what you need to seal. So we got a new one of these here to put in, so we'll get that in there too. We'll have a go at this one more time. All right. Sure, this is supposed to go in here, but first you just push it down all the way. Trying to get some light to see with, would be nice. Can't see. Looks like I had it in there, I guess. Sure doesn't look like it though. I don't think so. Looks a little better. All right, let's see what happens here. Definitely tighter there. Things do seem to be tighter. Okay. I think the hole's open and closing like it's supposed to. So hopefully it'll work. Okay. Cover with brake fluid. Can't tell if it's leaking or not leaking. It's so full of oil, fluid, you can't tell. Wipe it down a little bit. Okay. Let's go over and see what's going to happen now. Maybe it'll work. I think I'll give it about a 50% chance of working good. So about 75% chance of actually making it bleed. But whether it's going to leak after I'm done, that's the problem. That's the question. With new rubbers, it should bleed, but I just said if it's going to leak or not, I don't know. Can't have it leaking. Okay, let's see what happens. There's the banjo bolt. If it works, I shouldn't have to deal with this stupid thing over here. Okay. Moment of truth. Okay. I already spilled it. If it works, it'll bubble in the front, not in the back. It won't squirt back up in here again like it was. Let's see what we get. Good sign. That's really nice. See, that's working correctly now. That's how it's supposed to work. So now it's coming out of the front hole like it's supposed to. So you just give it a little bit of bubble. A little bit of brake lever is all you need. You just have to uncover that hole with a plunger each time you do it. See, that's how it's supposed to bleed. Yeah, only 3 hours later. Told you I was going to win. We haven't won yet, though. Yeah, we have a break already. We have pressure. And we have a break. It's about that far. There, it's starting to pop up a little bit like I want it to see. You want to see that pop up when you give it a little bit fast squirt like this. If you give it a real fast squirt, it'll go boop, way up in the air like the other stuff is blowing out the back hole. Still getting the air out a little bit. Getting more brake now. It's right there. It's already on all the way. Blow them bubbles out so you can tell if it's making bubbles. See how quickly it actually works when it's done correctly. Yeah, we're there. We got brake instantly right there. Alright, need some more fluid. You honing on my video again. I think we're running out of fluid. Okay, that's it from that bottle. Where's the front one at? Put that up on there like that. Can you hold that for me? Alright, hopefully there's no leaks and it works. You go down the wheel, see? Down the wheel. Release it good. Drag. It's working. We have a break. Amazing when everything works correctly. Way up there too, like we want. We'll see if it leaks any overnight. I doubt if it will. So there you go. Simple. No problem at all. This one still don't work though. Alright, well now we get to work on the rear brake. Fun, fun, fun. I think I'll skip the rear brake. We'll go to the carburetor. Alright, we'll take a break for now.